Forging is bifurcated in two types, based on load and based on the die used. Based on load, we have drop hammer and press forging, whereas based on die used, we have open, closed and semi-closed type of forging. Now in case of drop hammer forging, the top die is suddenly released and comes in contact with the raw material, performing the forging operation, whereas in press forging, the top die is gradually lowered with a compressive force over the raw material. Now based on the type of die used, first we have open die forging. In open die forging, two flat dies are used. The bottom die is fixed, whereas the top die is attached to the ram and it comes down along with the ram. The shape and size of the component is obtained by changing the position in between the blows. Next we have closed die forging. It is also known as impression die. The shape and size of the component obtained is same as that of shape and size of the two half dies. That is, the shape of die is impressed upon the component. Next we have semi-closed die forging. It is a combination of open and closed die. In this, the shape and size of the component is same as that of the half die. In this, the position of the component can be changed in between the blows. Nearly 20 to 30% more raw material is used for perfect shaping, and for the same, some extra space is given in the die for the flow of excess material. This extra spaces is called as gutter, and the extra projection on the forged material is called as flash. These flash are removed after the forging process is done by any means like gas cutting.